competition.
His outreach in Washington, D.C. is ongoing. And our visit last week forms part of broader efforts across the South African landscape to try and urgently de-escalate these heightened tensions and find a pathway towards stabilizing the bilateral relationship. The president's delegation will, of course, go ahead. I believe it will be a multi-party GNU delegation. We're looking forward to hearing more about that. But as the second largest stakeholder in the Government of National Unity, we felt that in light of just how significant these heightened tensions are and their implications for South Africa, that it was urgent that leaders from our party got to Washington, D.C. so we could open communication channels and provide credible, accurate, fact-based information as to South Africa's domestic landscape, the challenges that we're confronting, and to find out from U.S. legislators and policymakers how we could together, as South Africa and the United States, work towards plotting a pathway to de-escalation.
Dis iets wat ons nie gewoonlik doen vir ons aardes nie, maar dis nodig. Dames en here, ons is vandag hier omdat ons sorg dra, omdat ons besorg is oor die toekoms van ons kinders.
I'm a poison. I go. Hey,